Good afternoon, teacher. I'm going to talk about my lesson class. Okay, first, the class will be start with some questions about Kahoot, using the background knowledge of something, and anything. So there will be some sentences that the student will select with some, any, something, or anything. Next, when we complete that, we are going to continue with Padlet. So I will start to share information about Padlet, how they will use the different the different and the different content that they have. But at the beginning, next in the class, I will teach some about the use of some, anything. Okay, first we have some and something. We can see that the some and something are usually used for affirmative sentences. For example, we have some example that we have some friends are coming to dinner. We can see that it's possible to use this for countables and uncountables. We will continue with this. Some old friends called me yesterday, and we have the example with something. Okay, we have something about it looked warm and cozy like home. Next, we'll continue with any and anything. Okay, some any and anything usually should be used for negative and interrogative sentences. Here we have some examples that are: I do not have any sisters, I don't have any money, and I didn't get anything for my birthday. So I can see that all the sentences are negatives, and so we can use any and anything. Now, some and something are using some questions. They are using questions when affirmative answer to the question is expected. Is when the one person asks that to other person, and the other person should be say yes. For example, we have could we have some bread, please? So the other person could say yes, please. And the other is would be like something to drink. Okay, and now continue with any and anything. We have for some affirmative sentences. We can remember that any and anything in these affirmative sentences are used in the same meaning of some and something, that in Spanish is cualquiera. Okay, here we have the first example, that is take a card, any card. That the students can translate in Spanish like toma una carta, cualquier carta. Another example is, can I take any book with me? I am really hungry. I'll eat anything. Okay, that it's about anything. And at the end, the teacher will be use this sentence that any publicity is good publicity, and no news is good news. That in Spanish will be translated as cualquier publicidad es buena publicidad, y la falta de noticias son buenas noticias. Okay, at the end of the class, the teacher should say the student that they make a presentation, or make art or create a Padlet. So they will use something, any and anything. Then at the end of the class they will be prepare a presentation with this. Thank you, teacher. That was my presentation.